Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you two ways how to uninstall instabridge app on Android. So let's get started. So if you use this app, instabridge, to become your quick Wi-Fi access nearby Wi-Fi with one tap. So you will get a always, every day, every time you get notification to set instabridge as your default launcher. So I don't want to use this app as my default launcher, but this app keep asking me to use this as your default launcher. As you can see, every time I'm open this app, keep asking me to become a default launcher here. See, just tap. If you tap don't ask again, it doesn't work. So I want to uninstall this app. Just tap this icon and tap this uninstall button, or you can go to the Play Store, tap the Play Store and try to type the instabridge here. Tap again the icon and tap this uninstall. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.